the sun sets on the open road.
What if I told you that parking garages could be more than just concrete eyesores? Prepare to be amazed by these 5 architecturally stunning parking structures. 1. T3 Parking Structure, Austin, Texas. In Austin, Texas, the T3 parking structure emerges from a steep hillside, featuring living green walls and a green roof that serves as an urban habitat for wildlife. The T3 parking structure is a 3-level helical parking garage in Austin, Texas, designed by Dan's Blood Architects. The eco-friendly design of the T3 parking structure was a response to local residents' concerns, transforming it into a light-filled lot that has won several architecture awards. The T3 parking structure has won several architectural awards, including the 2014 Chicago Athenaeum Award. The garage was built in 2012 to serve employees of T3, a local advertising company. 2. Helix Garage, Lexington, Kentucky. In Lexington, Kentucky, the Helix Garage was saved from demolition by adding a geometric facade with translucent steel panels and LED backlighting, making it a community talking point. At night, the Helix Garage's rectangles change colors to reflect holidays or special occasions, creating a glowing spectacle that captivates onlookers. 3. City View Garage, Miami, Florida. Miami's City View Garage, with its metal screen and folded aluminum apertures, not only radiates in the sunlight, but also allows for a steady airflow to keep the garage cool. 4. 10th and Wyandotte Garage, Kansas City, Missouri. The 10th and Wyandotte Garage in Kansas City features a patterned exterior with nearly 600 ceramic inserts inspired by fossils, creating a mesmerizing fusion of art and architecture. Designed in collaboration with local artist Andy Brayman, the 10th and Wyandotte Garage's unique design brings creative visions to life using architectural software. 5. Michigan Theater, Detroit, Michigan. Once a grand concert hall, Detroit's Michigan Theater was transformed into a parking garage, preserving the elegant rotunda and painted walls of the Renaissance Revival-style theater. Generations of Detroiters used to park their seats under the jaw-dropping ornate plasterwork and opulence of a downtown movie palace. Today, they park their cars there. These innovative designs prove that parking garages can be both practical and beautiful, challenging our perceptions of urban spaces. What's your favorite architecturally interesting parking structure? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.